Hey everybody, welcome back to Yoga Basics, Learn a Yoga Pose. I'm Steve. So, our next pose in our series, we just got done doing seated single leg extension in our last video. This one we're going to do seated forward fold. So we're going to take both legs out in front of us towards the top of the mat. Now we have a couple options here, okay? We're going to inhale up, extend out. So we're going to lengthen, similar to what we did when we did our seated single leg extension. Now, if you can reach your feet, that's fine, okay? Couple options. You can bring your hands up underneath your legs, or you can just frame your legs. So one hand on one side, one on the other. Another option, if you want to, you can bend your knees, bring your heels into the mat, and then reach forward, extend out. Do more core work here, so just hug in, right? Tighten up that core when you reach out. So lots of options to play with, okay? Now, in my practice, I like bringing my hands up underneath my legs. I can reach my feet all day long, but that's what feels right in my body. So do what works best for you, okay? Try all of them, just see which one feels best, and then go from there, all right? So inhale up, exhale, we just extend out, lengthen, and then on the next exhale, release down, wherever you land. Chin to chest, right? Most important, chin to chest, forehead down toward the knees. Let the upper body just be dead weight and fold. And then on our inhale, use your hands, press your way up. So we're not using our back to bring ourselves up, okay? And that's it, seated forward fold. Thanks so much for joining me today. Remember, next pose in the series, you can click up over here, and then on the other side, we're working to get together our yoga foundations class. So when we're breaking down poses, what muscle groups that we're working, what the benefits are, and all of that, okay? Thanks again so much for joining me. I'm Yoga Steve. We'll see you soon.